we have a good product. I became so active and so excited to share the product. That's why this business will really continues, and this one is consumable. Unlike other business, they like to be slim, they want, and I've been there, and what I've been, experienced, especially, there is an auto ship. Every month you're supposed to have an order for you to maintain the position. And that was so, they deduct again monthly, and you don't need the product, no? So this one, you just buy whatever products you need, and that's it. And no obligation. And number one is, our PV, it doesn't become zero. It doesn't reset. This will be, for example, you only want 300 PV. You're just, a simple, you don't like to business, The 300 PV, you can leave it whatever you want, but for sure you will change your mind if your left group and right group is earning so much money, and you're only the 80 no. So us, we do it now, or else someone else will do. Even your friends, your relatives, oh ate, sorry, I'm already a member. What happened? Because we sleep for a while. So when I have this business, because I'm so excited, I share it with my batchmate in other countries, and of course it's normal. There, most of the time, out of 10, 8, oh, I don't want to try. Oh, I've been there. The negative. But keep on trying, because we have even we don't have enough friends, or so much relatives. Even you just found 2 business-minded on the right and 2 business-minded on the left, our business will be good. And it will be, naturally, it will just flow, and then suddenly it will be easy for us if we reach, not only the $80, but 160 a week. Where can you find the 160 a week? And then later,
A day?
320, and then later 460
a day? No.
160 a day. Sorry, 160 a day. So how can we say no to this business? That's why I'm thankful. And also, Mare, thank you so much for introducing me to your friends, and for us to share, because this one, we have to be proud. We are helping each other,